The immigrant investor visa is one that clients increasingly ask me about these days. It's a visa that allows you to bring in either $1 million or $500,000 to the United States, and as long as that money creates 10 jobs over a 2-year period, you are allowed to remain in the United States as a permanent resident, as is your spouse and any children that are under 21. The area can be complicated because there's generally 2 different ways to do it. You can either invest as a limited partner in what's called a regional center, where you don't have day-to-day management responsibilities. You're just part of a large project, usually a hotel or some other kind of multi-million-dollar investment that is partially funded by EB-5 money and partially funded by other investors already in the United States. Or you can set up your own business and do an individual EB-5, but that individual business will still have to create 10 jobs.